This is why you need the NanoSteamer. Imagine flawless skin with just a touch of a button. Too good to be true? Think again. The NanoSteamer is not just any steamer. It combines ultrasonic vapor and traditional heating to produce Nano Ionic steam that penetrates your skin 10 times more effectively. Say goodbye to clogged pores and hello to a radiant complexion, and we're not done yet. Every NanoSteamer comes with a professional 5-piece stainless steel skin kit. These precise instruments are perfect for removing blackheads and blemishes after your steam session. It's like having a dermatologist in your bathroom. But wait, there's more. The NanoSteamer isn't just for your face. Use it to humidify your room or even warm up towels for that extra spa-like touch. All this with a generous 200 milliliters water tank that gives you 30 minutes of silent bliss. Plus, it's got an auto shut-off feature for total peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock spa-quality skin at home with the NanoSteamer. Your path to perfect skin starts now.